In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do Amazon KDP book research so that you can rank high and actually make sales on Amazon. That ensures that you don't just write for nothing. So I basically have two methods for this. For the first method, go to a new tab, search for Amazon Books Bestsellers. Amazon Books Bestsellers. So choose the first one. So as you can see, we have a couple of categories and also some bestsellers at the bottom. Okay, so we have biographies, we have cookbooks, and a lot of them. So you choose whichever one you want to go with. You might want to write cookbooks, health and fitness, anyone you want. They all have bestsellers. So let's go with cookbooks. Scroll down. This is modeling. Let's check that number 4 on the list because I think it has a very beautiful cover. So as you can see, this book has a bestseller tag on it, which means this book is selling very well at the moment. We are recording today on October 1st, but then this book is scheduled to be released on October 7th, so that is a pre-order. But then it's already a bestseller, so that's already a good sign that this book is one that we can model. Okay, to check if this book sells well, let's confirm. Scroll down. You are going to look for a number. Let's work based on statistics. Look for bestsellers rank. For this one is number 236. So that's the ranking. After you've gotten this number, you go to a new tab. Then search Amazon Royalties Calculator. Amazon Royalties Calculator. Then scroll down to the site that has the name Kindlepreneur. Kindlepreneur. For that book, we had number 236, so we put in that number to do our research. This site tells us how well a book is performing at the moment. Scroll down. As you can see, this book has 438 books per day being sold. So this is a very, very nice figure. It's really attractive, honestly. So this one we can write on. Let me even show you the advanced calculator. Let's know how many books it sells per day and per month. So let's scroll down. As you can see, in a day, this book makes up to $614, $18,000 per month. And really, it's really a crazy figure, honestly. So this already shows us that this book is a very nice one to write on. Okay, so you can model a book like this. So let's recap this first research method. The first thing you do is go to Amazon Books Bestsellers to know which books are selling well at the moment. Choose the first option. Then choose the categories that you want to write on. After choosing your category, then you scroll down. You check the bestsellers in that category. So I think it's a very easy process. Then go to Amazon Royalties Calculator to be able to confirm if the book is really selling at the moment and not outdated. So I have a quick tip. Always be sure that any book you're going for doesn't have a competition of more than 1,000 or 2,000 people on that same keyword. Okay, so we are done with the first research method. For the second research method, you go to Google Trends. Search Google Trends on a new page. Choose the first option. So Google Trends help us know what is trending at the moment. Click on Explore. Anyway, since we are writing for the greater audience which are in the US, we want to filter our country to the US so that we know what is trending in the US. So you change that filter to United States. Alright, so you can see we have a couple of topics here. This gives us data, factual data, what is working at the moment, what is trending. Okay, so let's look down. Let's see like number 2, Charlie Kirk. That's an American politician. So that's to say that this is a trending topic right now in the US. But then make sure you do your research and know what is actually happening and to know if the person's name is trademarked and if you can write on the person or not. So let's recap the second research method. I said the first one is Amazon.com and the second one is Google Trends. So these are the two basic methods. I think we'll cover more research methods as we go further. So if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe so that you won't miss subsequent videos that come after this one. Alright, thank you for watching.